Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an e-commerce website in WordPress. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional online store where you can sell your products, accept payments, and manage orders with ease. To follow along, you will need a domain name and web hosting. You will also need access to the Divi theme. We have placed a link in the description where you can try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price. Let's begin. First, we need to set up WordPress. If you do not already have a hosting account, choose a hosting provider that supports one. Click WordPress Installs. Most major providers like SiteGround, Bluehost, or Hostinger have this feature. Once your hosting account is set up, go to your hosting dashboard and look for the WordPress installation option. Follow the steps to install WordPress on your domain. Choose your site name, admin username, and password. After the setup finishes, you will be able to log into your WordPress dashboard by using the credentials you just created. Now that we are inside WordPress, let's install the Divi theme. You need to have an Elegant Themes account to download the Divi theme. You can find a link in the description to create an account and get access to Divi. After logging into your Elegant Themes account, download the Divi theme zip file to your computer. Now return to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. At the top, click Add New. Then click Upload Theme. Choose the Divi zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. Once it is installed, click Activate. Now Divi is active on your website. Next, we will clean up the site and prepare it for customization. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages. Delete any sample pages that are already there. Then go to Posts and delete the default post. Now we will create 3 basic pages: Home, Portfolio, and Blog. Go to Pages and click Add New Page. Title this page Home and then under it, choose Use Divi Builder so that Divi can take full control of the layout. Click Publish. Now go to Settings, then Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page. For the home page, choose Home. For the Posts page, choose Blog. Save your changes. We will also set up the menu. Go to Appearance, then Menus. Give your menu a name like Main Menu and click Create Menu. On the left, check the boxes for all 3 pages we created and click Add to Menu. Drag the items into the order you want. Then under Menu Settings, check the box for Primary Menu. Save the menu. Next, we'll set up the e-commerce functionality. In the dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for WooCommerce and install it. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. After activation, the setup wizard will appear. Enter your store details like country, address, and currency. Then choose the types of products you want to sell, whether they are physical, digital, or both. WooCommerce will automatically create important pages like Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account. Now we'll design the store using Divi. Go to Pages and edit the home page. Click Use Divi Builder. You'll see the options to build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or use AI. Divi includes e-commerce layout packs that are fully designed for online stores. Search for Shop in the layout library and choose one that matches your style. Click Use this layout and Divi will load the design onto your home page. Now you can customize everything. Replace the demo text with your own business name and tagline. Update the product sections by linking them to your actual WooCommerce products. To add products, go to Products in the dashboard and click Add New. Enter the product title, description, price, and upload images. If you're selling variations like size or color, you can add them under Product Data. Publish your products and they'll appear in the shop. Divi also lets you design custom product pages. Go to Divi, then Theme Builder and create a new template for all products. Add a custom body and open the Divi Builder. Search for the WooCommerce modules like Product Title, Product Image, Product Price, and Add to Cart. Drag these modules into your layout and style them to match your brand. Save the template, and now all your product pages will use this design. You'll also want to customize the cart and checkout pages. In the Theme Builder, you can create templates for the cart and checkout and design them with Divi modules. This lets you create a professional and consistent shopping experience for your customers. To accept payments, go to WooCommerce, then Settings and open the Payments tab. By default, you can enable Stripe, PayPal, bank transfer, or cash on delivery. Set up the payment methods you want by entering your account details. If you want more options, you can install additional payment gateway plugins. Next, let's set up shipping. In WooCommerce settings, go to Shipping. You can create shipping zones, add flat rates, free shipping, or real-time rates depending on your business needs. You can also set up taxes if required by enabling tax calculations in the settings. Before launching, check your website on mobile. In the Divi Builder, click the responsive view icon to preview your home page and product pages on tablet and phone. Adjust spacing, font sizes, or buttons so everything looks perfect on smaller screens. Now your store is ready to go live. Add your logo, set your brand colors in Divi's global design settings, and create a navigation menu linking to the shop, about, and contact pages. Test the checkout process by placing a test order to make sure payments and emails are working correctly. Congratulations! You've created a complete e-commerce website in WordPress using Divi and WooCommerce in 2025. You now have full control to sell products, customize the design, and grow your online business. If you haven't already, use the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price and unlock its full power for your WordPress store.